Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about how to protect worksheet. Now this is a worksheet, that is the current page that you're working on, that's a worksheet. So as you can see, I have 3 sheets over here. We have protect sheet, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So with this sheet 1 and sheet 2 and protect sheet, I want to protect only the first sheet, that is this sheet, the protect sheet. So I want to protect this sheet so that nobody can just add or edit or do anything to it based on their specifications that I choose. So in order to protect this worksheet, just right click on the sheet, now go to protect sheet. There are other ways to do that. Now you can just right click on this sheet, the protect sheet, to go to the protect sheet here, or you can go to the home tab and go to format, click on format and go to protect sheet. It's over here. Or you go to the file and go to protect. Okay, so you can just go to file and can go to protect, but in this case it is under this data or this tool here, so you have protection, protect it as well. But the simplest way is to just right click at this place, the sheet name, and go to protect sheet. Now as soon as you click on protect sheet, it asks you now enter the password. So 123, then verify 123. Now when I click on OK, so now let's see, if I try to just type in, it tells me the cell or chart you are trying to change is on the protected sheet. To make a change and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, so you see now if I can't edit, now if I want to insert, you can see now I can't insert. If I want to delete, I can't delete. Okay, if I want to clear content or select, I can't. If I want to sort data, filter, or table, you can see now all of them, they are faded. Okay, so it means I can't do that because the sheet is now protected. But let's say for instance I want the people to just fill in this table. In such case, how can I do, or to edit this table, how can I do that? Now let's go to the same file and unprotect the sheet. So unprotect sheet, let's type in a password. So now the same place, let's click on again, right click and go to protect sheet. Now this options here, so we want the person to format cell, to also format column, or we want the person to just insert row, insert column, delete row, delete column. So let's format, insert row, okay, format row and format column and insert column, right? So you want it to do that. Now let's and filter as well. Okay, sort. So but you don't want the person to delete it. So let's type in our code, our password. Okay, so it's done. So let's say the person can't, aside from this table, when you try to just face any table here, you can see now it's not working. It is not working. So here to the same thing applies to this. Now the person can format it over here. So you can see now. So you can see that the sort is now available. Now you go to filter, no. You go to table, no. Okay. But when you go to the other, you see now the insert to no. Okay. That is the format. You see now you can just format the text here. So you can just format this. Let's see. So you can format the text as well. Alright, so that is a way to protect a sheet. Okay. So that's a way to protect it. Just don't forget to right click and now go to protect, and now protect the sheet with the password. So that's the way to do that. Thank you guys for watching. In the other videos, we talk about how to protect the workbook and the file as well. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.